6 a.m. The kitchen isn't even open yet, but the first shift has already started. They pull out their phone, open WhatsApp, and start typing out today's order to the local vegetable farmer. Then they type a message to the meat supplier, to the dairy vendor, and the bakery. They repeat this bespoke text message routine for 15 to 20 different suppliers, burning nearly an hour before the sun even comes up. The cracks in this manual system show up fast. A supplier's phone is on silent, so a message gets married. A voice note gets misinterpreted, resulting in 50 kilos of onions instead of 15. And because there's no central audit trail, no one actually knows if an order was confirmed until the truck arrives. Missing ingredients are usually discovered right before the lunch rush. A single failed delivery means taking high-margin items off the menu, costing a small business thousands of rupees in lost revenue in a single afternoon. Why are food businesses still running on basic chat apps? Because modern software stops dead when it asks local suppliers to download an app. They expect independent farmers to manage logins and catalogs. That friction guarantees they will simply ask for a text message instead. To actually fix the restaurant supply chain, a platform has to accept reality. You cannot force the supplier to change. You have to put the entire system on the shoulders of the highly motivated buyer who filled numbers. With everything adjusted, a single click dispatches correctly formatted orders to every vendor simultaneously. The chore drops to under 60 seconds. OrderRoom succeeds because it concentrates all the data entry on the person who actually benefits from the organization, the buyer. The vendor doesn't even know they are interacting with a software platform. Out in the field or in a noisy warehouse, the supplier's phone buzzes. They haven't downloaded an app, they haven't set up a password. They receive a standardized email displaying exactly what the restaurant needs today, itemized by quantity and unit. At the bottom is a single green confirm button. The vendor taps it and they are done. To make that one tap secure without a login screen, OrderRoom generates a unique cryptographic CUID token for every individual line item. When the vendor taps the link, the system reads the token and validates the order automatically. How does a system handle thousands of simultaneous link clicks without data locking? It relies on a purpose-built dual database architecture. On the left, a Neon PostgreSQL database handles the strictly structured business data, restaurant profiles, vendor mappings, and subscription logic. This relational data requires strict ACID compliance. Ensuring a transaction is fully completed and securely recorded is critical here, because losing an order record equates directly to a missed delivery and lost cash. The right side of the architecture is handed over to AWS DynamoDB. This database manages the high-frequency event stream, logging every time an order is sent, a vendor clicks a link, or an issue is reported. When 20 vendors tap their confirmation links at the exact same second, DynamoDB absorbs those concurrent writes without locking up. Each click is recorded as an independent event, requiring zero complex data joins to process. By splitting the application logic, routing the structural relationships to SQL, and the rapid-fire status updates to NoSQL, the backend stays highly resilient, regardless of how many vendors are confirming their morning orders out in the field. At 7 a.m., the Today's Order status board populates automatically. Cards shift from sent to confirmed to delivered. As DynamoDB logs token clicks, Vercel pushes updates to the recent activity feed on the right, keeping the screen live. If a seafood vendor rejects an item due to low stock, the owner sees the red flag instantly. They have hours to call a backup supplier and secure the inventory, protecting their lunch revenue. In India alone, 7.5 million food service businesses currently rely on this manual WhatsApp loop for their daily operations. OrderRoom targets these businesses with a tiered SaaS model. Solo operators start for free with a single vendor, while growing restaurants pay $29 a month to manage up to 10 suppliers. With a target market of this size, reaching 500 starter customers generates over $14,000 in monthly recurring revenue. Bypassing the vendor adoption bottleneck by using cryptographically secure email links allows the platform to digitize procurement for businesses that would otherwise remain stuck on manual chat apps. By combining event streaming with a relational core, OrderRoom created a buyer-first platform that works with absolutely any vendor. The kitchen prep can start on time because the morning WhatsApp chaos is finally over.